Now we're going to do something a little bit crazier. Everyone has a good feel of the code. Let's see what this looks like in VR. Developing for VR is kind of annoying at times. You have to look through there's a small space right here. And you got to use that. This is going to all be recorded, isn't it? That's fantastic. Create Guardian. I'm touching the ground so I can set my boundary. I'm going to confirm. You'll eventually see something on the screen, I promise. I was playing this one game. It was called Red Matter. And you end up having to put together like a little robot inside, and you're given these instructions on a piece of paper. And of course I went, I don't need this piece of paper, and I threw it away. Flies off in the distance, and then I found out that I actually need the instructions. And you see me like going like this in VR going, what the hell is it? And anyone looking at me was like, what the hell are you doing in there? You're going to get a lot of those experiences like that. Can everyone see it casting now? So here I go looking through my little peephole. I'm going to press this button. Dang it, missed. There we go. There's a full screen somewhere. There we go. All right. So now we can see this game. Whoa, look at that moving in and out. That's crazy. That's a nice little party trick. Let's turn on the sound. Well, everyone knows what the sound sounds like. All right, let's see if I'm better in VR. I can do this. I can do this. All right, so that's cute. Oh, my glasses. Oh, crap, it's stuck to my head. All right, there we go. All right, so we lost the image, maybe. Did we lose it? Oh, yeah, I'm not in the Guardian anymore. I'm looking somewhere else. Let me reorient. Let me put it over here. This does not bring me joy, I promise. Stationary boundary, confirm. We're working on it, I swear. All right, put that over there. Cool. So how about we do this? First thing I'm going to do is get rid of that game over. Calc game over, get rid of that, take that video game. There's input delay, so I'm really glad I got rid of that. Okay, so that looks good. I'm going to make one more change. You'll notice that everything's hot loaded. Now let's see what this looks like. Headset on again. Everyone can see? Sweet. All right. Look at that. There you go. So you've got full 3D fidelity. And the changes to the code, we can take a look at the code again. Bye-bye, Dragon. My glasses. VR is one of those things where having a pairing is really, really great. One person can just have the headset on, and then the other person can code and look at the screen. It's surprisingly productive. It's really nice. As far as the game, the primary property that's been added is Z. So you add the Z property, and you get your three-dimensional fidelity for the sprite itself. You've got Y rotation on your angle, and X rotation that allows you to rotate around each one of the axes. And so what I'm doing is I'm creating the sprite, rotating in 90 degrees, and creating the four areas of that sprite. But outside of that, as far as the pop in and pop out of the cool title, this is a fairly common mathematical function of using sine, because your sine wave goes from 0 to -1, I think. It oscillates between -1 and 1, yes. So based off of that, you've got your ratio, and you can use that and multiply that percentage by the max distance you want it to go. So then that's how you get the oscillation of the little title as it pushes in and pushes out. Okay? But that's kind of high level how you can start with essentially hello world with a few lines and evolve that into something that works in VR.